from Tajmotormedics. I've got a Honda Civic here on a 2009 plate. Just doing the position lamp on this. Now basically I've got to do the driver's side, which is the offside front, the near side front, the rear tail light as well as the number plate lights. I'm going to show you all of them, but it's going to be obviously in parts. So what we're going to do is we're going to do this one first, which is the offside front, the right position lamp, which is right inside there. The bulb you need is a 501 bulb. It's just, I mean, the headlight's a bit messed up. It's a 501 bulb. You can find that in the description, the link for it as well. So if you want to buy one, you can click on the link and get one for yourself. Now to do it, where I can't show you they're working because they're not working at all. So what I'm going to do, I'm going to replace it first. If you come in. Now, got the bulb here. Just going to get it all ready. Now this is the cover we need to remove. Right, so you've already got the thing you can twist it with. So they are going to be quite tight when you're twisting it. So make sure the engine is off, it's not running, and make sure the lights are off as well when you're doing this. So what you do, put your pressure on it, and then you got to pull it towards the left, like, oh my god, oh, okay, yeah, that's it, that's done. So there's a way to take out is, if you see the top lug right here, and then there's one on the other side, and there's one on this side where my little finger, with this finger is. So you got to make sure it goes back in like that as well. And the thing you need to remember is the seal. Make sure the seal's in there as well. That's done. Now what we need to do is we need to remove this bulb right here with the brown plug. So you wiggle, and then pull it out. That's it. They do get a bit tight, so I wouldn't really worry about it. So I've got the old one out. I'm just going to get a new one, slot the bulb in. So there's only one way the bulb would go as well. Slot it in and then back into the hole. So when you push it in, that's it, job done. So clicked in. I now put the cover back on. Like I said to you about these little clips here, so they're for the lineups. So the big one goes on the top, and then you twist it to your right and locks in place. So what I'm going to do now, I'm going to check if the lights are working. Now as you can see, that one there is working, this one isn't. So the second part of the video would be for this side here. This side is slightly awkward because of the battery. That side is not so bad, but just, I mean, you got to take precaution when you're doing this as well, because if you have the engine running and your hands inside, what's going to happen? You're going to hurt yourself, which is not going to be good, and you'll be calling 911 or 999 or 101, whichever country you're in, but you don't want to do that, okay? And if there is anything else you need to know, comment us below. We'll try helping you as much as we can. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Like the video, thank you, and goodbye.